is kind of wet out there on the roadways, but slow down. It's very easy to hydroplane. Hydroplane really is a matter of physics, not so much. I mean, the temperature has something to do with that, but when it's just right at freezing levels like this, and we've had some snow and we've had some rain and snow, then you do get very slick conditions out there, and that's where we are. We're looking at temperatures that are right at 32 degrees right now, and 92% for the humidity. You're also looking at the bottom of the screen. I just want to call your attention to the only school closures we know of so far. So those are the ones that we know so far. 88% for the humidity, but at 32 degrees, of course, pressure is rising a little bit. Now, in addition to that, we do have just a little bit of a break from some of the showers right now, but we still have down the southern portion of Idaho a winter storm warning. It's been extended now until 5 o'clock this afternoon, and now picking up this morning an avalanche warning that we have that has gone into effect until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that's up in the Valley County area. Oftentimes we see that more around areas of the Sawtooth Range, but it does happen in Valley County as well. So that's what's going on there. We're seeing some of this snow, and you can actually watch in the time lapse. You can see where it started off as snow and then changed to a rain and snow mix. And some of that is kind of going back to some snow even in portions of the Magic Valley. And the reason for all of this, as we look out a little bit wider, is another atmospheric river of moisture that is moving in. And some of this is going to be warm. The trailing portion of this is warmer, so it's going to be more rain showers in the valley locations than a rain and snow mix. But all of this in the higher elevations, up above 5,000 to 6,000 feet, is going to be snow, and not just inches but feet of snow. All right, this first wave that we have that's coming through is going to be producing some of that into tonight, and we're going to be seeing about 5 o'clock tonight we're going to have some snow about the time you're driving home. Then as we go into 1 a.m., I know it's overnight, but it's going to be warmer, and we're going to get a rain and snow mix out of that that's going to carry over into the morning hours. We're still going to get a lot more snow in the mountains. That's why we're talking 1 to 2 feet. And then by Friday, the model doesn't go out quite that far, but for Friday, the rest of that moisture is coming in. It's going to be 2 to 3 feet of snow in the mountains, but yet it'll be rain showers only in the valley on Friday. Forecast for today, rain and snow mix in the Magic Valley, still looking at a 60 to 70% chance, temperatures into the 30s. We're also looking at just a 40% chance. You may have noticed in the Futurecast, we're only going to get 1 or 2 inches of snow here, but boy, there's a lot more on the way later. And of course, for the west central mountains, we're also going to be picking up a couple of inches of snow in the higher elevations, rain snow mix in the valleys, but again, a lot more snow is coming. And of course, lower Treasure Valley, we're going to have that rain snow mix for today, temperatures upper 30s. Temperatures don't change a lot again. Temperatures will be upper 30s again for today, not as warm as yesterday. Yesterday was 41. Your 7 First Alert 7-day forecast, well, that shows that we're going to be seeing more of those showers, 80% chance of showers, and then we're going to be seeing rain showers on Friday. It cools and clears as we go through the weekend. Doug?